walking water. So all you need is 7 cups, food coloring, the primary colors, yellow, blue, and red. And you need water, and you need paper towels. Fold it like this, and this. Okay, and ta-da! You need 6 of them actually. Now I'll start with red. I'll add 5 drops in the first one and 5 drops in the last one. Now Ritzy will add 5 drops in here. Now I'm adding the yellow food coloring. Okay, this is red, blue, yellow, and all the way back to red. Now add the paper towels into the glasses. This, like this, like this. Now we have to wait for 2 hours for all the water to travel. Then you'll see the magic in the empty cups. Here you see the cups are really empty. After some time, you see the water traveled into the empty cups. Cool. After 2 hours, the water in 1 cup traveled to another through the paper towel. The red and blue mixed together, so it made purple. And the blue and yellow mixed together, so it got green. And the yellow and red mixed together, so they got orange. Hope you liked the experiment. Try it at home. Hit the bell and subscribe to our channel.